The easiest way to open up a title in the app is through the categories list on the left. This is comparable to PC Study Bible's left-hand navigation panel. Let's say you wanted to open up a specific verse in a specific translation. You can click on Bibles, enter in the verse that you want to look for. Next, go down to the translation, but don't click on it. Instead, you're going to want to click on the Quick Open button that's just to the right of the translation, opening the verse automatically. Just like in PC Study Bible, you don't need to type a colon between the chapter and the verse, and you can use the abbreviation for the Bible book. Commentaries works this same way. You can also access a passage by clicking on the translation, then selecting the book, then the chapter and the verse, but this can be a little bit long and tedious. Topics is displayed in the same way, but it works a little bit different. Because Topics utilizes English words instead of verses, you will need to make sure you enter in the English word. And when a title that has an article for this word appears, you can click on the Quick Open button next to it, just like in Bibles and commentaries. The Greek and Hebrew category is different. You'll need to enter in a specific Strong's number in order to open up an article. Then click on Testament, and then select by Strong's numbers or English word. And then you'll get a list of titles and that Quick Open button, just like in Bibles, Topics, and commentaries. General books can be accessed in the Books category, which has different subcategories for outlines, supplements, and additional works by specific authors.